Hello, welcome to Skydive Dubai. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
First time skydiving?
Yes.
How are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm a bit excited and also nervous.
Yeah, mixed feelings, alright.
Yes, all mixed feelings.
Have you met your instructor, Nicholas?
Sorry?
Your instructor.
Instructor, yes.
How are you doing, bro?
Do you have any questions about the instructions?
Yeah, first time skydiving.
No, I'm clear.
Very good. Feeling nervous, excited.
Any message to your friends and family?
Any
You
special
want to say
reason?
something?
Just
Yeah,
your instructor
I'm
explained you everything.
excited and also nervous. We'll see. I'll share the experience after this skydiving.
Will we jump out?
Ready to go?
Okay.
Yes.
Enjoy your skydive.
Yeah.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Now we won't go back home today, eh? Until the very last hour. We still got few more days to slay, eh? It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all.
Welcome back. How was it?
ఇట్స్ బ్యూటిఫుల్. చాలా అంటే చాలా బాగుంది. ఫస్ట్ ఒక 1 minute అలానే గాల్లో ఉన్నాం, అసలు ఊపిరి ఆడలేదు. కొంచెం అప్పుడు భయం వేసింది. వన్స్ పారాషూట్ ఓపెన్ అయిన తర్వాత చాలా అంటే చాలా బాగుంది. అసలు దుబాయ్ అంటే ఏంటో అనుకున్నా, బట్ ఎంత బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఉందంటే పైనుంచి చూడడానికి ఇది లైఫ్ టైం ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్.
So thank you for choosing
చాలా
Skydive
అంటే
Dubai.
చాలా బాగుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ బోత్.